Hi, good morning. This is a short video to help you figure out how to use Energy Skate Park. I'm going to try to do this in less than 3 minutes. So this is an online simulation that lets you see where the energy goes. So if you start on the screen and you click Intro, you're going to see this. Then you can click and drag your skateboarder. You can drop him anywhere on the curve and you can watch him skate back. You can watch him skate back and forth, sort of like our pendulum. And on the intro, he'll never stop. You can add a pie chart to see where his energy is. Notice the red part, thermal, that's heat. Okay. We can add a bar graph and we can see the different kinds of energy. We can add a grid so we can see how high he's moving and how he's coming back to the same position. And we can even see a speedometer. Okay, so that's intro. If we switch it to friction, then something changes. Tell me what changes. Yep. Okay, and then you can add your bar graph and your pie chart and bar graph again. You can pick them up and drop them again. And then you'll see something different. Interesting. You can change the amounts of friction over here. You can change what you have him skating on. Okay. You can pause it. So you can see it more clearly. You can do slow-mo or move it one frame at a time. And if you want, you can go over here to playground. And you can make all kinds of things. You doink. Bye bye.